Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color and green color. Kids, now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.